Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to discover the new OPPO Find N. The first smartphone with a foldable screen. An alternative to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Mate X, the Find N incorporates two touch screens, including a flexible LTPO panel developed by Samsung. Equipped with a high-end platform. Product presentation. First, with the outside. The Find N is therefore positioned in front of the Samsung Galaxy Z. And especially against the Galaxy Z Fold 3, even if the Find N opts for a slightly different format. Indeed, it is lower and wider than the Fold 3. The Find N incorporates two screens. The foldable slab measures 7.1 inches. Its resolution is equivalent to Full HD, 1792 x 1920 pixels. The resolution is 370 pixels, which is very close to the characteristics of the folding screen of the Z Fold 3. The brightness is 500 nits, with peaks at 1000 nits. The refresh rate is variable. It goes down to 1 Hz and goes up to 120 Hz. Now let's go inside. As revealed, the Find N benefits from a technical sheet quite similar to that of the Find X3 Pro. It runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888. This is a high-end chipset, but not the latest generation. No Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Snapdragon 888 Plus for OPPO's folding smartphone. It offers enough power to run multiple apps at the same time, as we saw with the Z Fold 3. It comes with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of storage, two possible configurations. On the battery side, the smartphone has two batteries of 2250 mAh each, for a total capacity of 4500 mAh, or 100 mAh more than the Z Fold 3. They are compatible Super VOC 33 watts, and not 65 watts like most Find current ones, as well as AirVOC 15 watts, Qi compatible. That's all for today. Don't forget to share the video if you liked it, and click on subscribe to be informed of new videos. Bye!